In this video, I'll show you some of the best prompts and customization techniques to get the most out of NotebookLM. To begin, I'll head to the home page and click Create New to build a fresh workspace for my project. Once the notebook is ready, I'll select Upload Files and choose my source document, which is a PDF guide to the platform. After the document loads on the left, I'll scroll through the overview to ensure the AI has processed all the key information. Now, I'll try one of the suggested prompts to see what creative formats can be generated from my uploaded source. The AI identifies several helpful options, including audio overviews, video explainers, and even mind maps. To get even more specific, I'll type in a custom prompt asking for the primary features that help content creators repurpose their work. This demonstrates how you can use targeted questions to extract the exact insights you need. Moving over to the Studio panel on the right, I can further customize how these outputs are generated. For the audio overview, I'll add a specific structure to define core AI functions and explore professional use cases. I can also tweak the slide deck settings to choose between a detailed layout or presenter-style slides. Finally, I'll adjust the video overview prompt to focus on creating study guides for students. These simple prompt customizations ensure that the final content is perfectly tailored to my specific audience and goals. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.